Take a ride in the 2019 1500. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear step bumper, fog lights, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes. Inside you'll find Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tilt steering wheel, leather-wrapped steering wheel, overhead console, panic alarm. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.